Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create label in Gmail. Alright, let's get started. So the first step is to open Gmail website, and on the left hand side you can see the option for labels, and right beside that you can see the plus icon, and over here you can see the create a new label option. All you have to do is click over here and now give your label some name. So I'm just going to give my label one. Alright, so all you have to do is click on create button, and the next thing that you can do is click on new label, and here you can nest it under the main label. So select the parent label and create. So that is how you'll be able to create a label under another label. So that is the method to create label in Gmail. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.